Hello guys, welcome back to Tech with Savir, and today in this video I am gonna teach you how to create this heart shape with the help of HTML and CSS. So let's go to our code. So here let's create one div. Let's give the name heart. So I have created one div here with the name of heart, and in our CSS I will target that div. So let's give h heart, and here we will give the height and width. So let's give height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel. Let's give background color red, and here we will give and position relative. Let's check it. So you can see this is our div and it is in square shape. Now here let's target once again hatch hot, and here we will give one pseudo element. So let's give here after, and here we will give the content. Let's keep it empty, and here we will give height 100%, width 100%, background color red, position absolute, and here we will give border radius 50%, and let's give here transform translate -50%, comma 0. Let's check it. You can see now from the left side it has taken the 50% border radius, and again we will just copy and paste this code. Here we will give before, and here we will change this 0%, and here we will give the -50%. So let's check it. You can see our heart is created, and now we will rotate this. So on the main div, let's give here rotate 45 degree. Now our heart is ready. So if you have learned something from this video, then please do like and subscribe our channel.